In this video, we're diving into Git's fast-forward merges. We will understand what they are and how to control them in your Git workflow. A fast-forward merge happens when the pointer of your target branch, like the main branch, simply moves forward to the commit of your source branch, such as a feature branch. This situation arises when there are no new commits on the base branch, since the feature branch was initially created. Consider the diagram shown here. Before the merge, the main branch has commits A, B, and C. The feature branch was created from commit C and has additional commits D and E. After a fast-forward merge, the main branch now includes all the commits from the feature branch A, B, C, D, and E. Effectively, the main branch's head has moved forward to the latest commit of the feature branch. Let's walk through how to perform a fast-forward merge. First, create and switch to a feature branch using the command git checkout b feature. Next, make your changes to the files, add them using the git add command, and commit them with git commit m, add new feature. After you have completed your changes on the feature branch, switch back to the main branch using the command git checkout main. Finally, merge the feature branch into the main branch with the command git merge feature. If possible, Git will perform a fast-forward merge, resulting in the main branch pointer moving to the latest commit on the feature branch. Fast-forward merges have both advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, they create a perfectly linear history without any merge commits, which maintains a clean and straightforward commit history. This linearity simplifies navigation through the project's history. Fast-forward merging is also the default Git behavior when possible, so no additional merge commit is created. However, fast-forward merges also have drawbacks. They can lead to a loss of information about when a feature branch existed, leaving no record of which commits were part of which feature. This can make it harder to revert an entire feature and may not be suitable for complex feature development. Furthermore, it does not show the context of when branches were merged. Sometimes you might want to prevent fast-forward merges to preserve branch history. You can do this by using the noff flag with the merge command. For example, git merge noff feature will create a merge commit even when a fast-forward would otherwise be possible. To configure Git to always create merge commits, you can use the command git config global merge.ff false. This sets the configuration globally. For a specific repository, use git config merge.ff false without the global flag. As shown in the diagram, the command git merge noff feature will create a new merge commit labeled m. This commit links the main branch to the feature branch, preserving the feature branch's history and making it explicit when the feature was merged into the main branch. On the other hand, you might want to ensure that merges only happen if a fast-forward is possible. To achieve this, use the ff-only flag. For instance, git merge ff-only feature will abort the merge if a fast-forward is not possible. This is useful for workflows that want to maintain a strictly linear history. It can be set as the default behavior with git config merge.ff only. Also, you can use the command git merge base is ancestor main feature to check if a fast-forward is possible before attempting the merge. It will return 0 if a fast-forward merge is possible. Let's explore some common workflows that use fast-forward merges. The first is the linear history workflow. In this workflow, use ff-only as the default merge strategy and rebase feature branches before merging. This maintains a clean linear project history. This is ideal for smaller teams with coordinated changes. It also makes git bisect more effective and simplifies reverting changes when needed. The second workflow is the feature branch workflow. Use noff to preserve feature branch history, which creates explicit merge commits for each feature. This makes it easier to identify and revert entire features, and is better suited for larger teams with parallel development. It provides context about when features were integrated and works well with pull request workflows. Here are some best practices to consider. First, document your merge strategy. Establish and document your team's preferred merge strategy in your project's contribution guidelines. Second, be consistent by choosing one approach, such as FF, no FF, or FF only, and use it consistently throughout your project. Third, consider the project size. For larger projects with many contributors, no FF often provides better historical context. Finally, use configuration. Set your preferred merge strategy with git config to ensure consistency across your team. In summary, fast-forward merges provide a clean, linear history but may lose branch context. Choose your merge strategy based on your team's needs, project size, and desired history visualization. Remember that Git's flexibility allows you to control exactly how your project history is recorded. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.